Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to reduce screen recording quality in iPhone. So if while recording your iPhone screen, you discover that the quality is high such that it covers a lot of space or storage on your iPhone and I want to reduce the screen recording quality, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Mark you, it's worth noting that when you want to reduce screen recording quality in any iPhone, you have to use the built-in iPhone function. So if you're using a third-party application, you may need to go through the third-party application settings to see if you can easily adjust the screen recording quality. So on your iPhone, the first thing you want to do is go to the iPhone settings, and on the settings page, you want to scroll down until you get to the camera. Then click on camera. Once you hit the camera button, locate record video, then click on that. If you set record video to 4K at 60 FPS, then this quality is going to be of high quality, and of course, it's going to take most of your storage. So it won't take long to exhaust your iPhone storage. As you can see here, if you see 4K resolution at 60 FPS is about 400 MB. Now, if you choose to switch to 720p HD at 30 FPS, that's going to save a lot of space on your iPhone, and that's going to be about 40 MB for the same video you use 400 MB with 4K 60 FPS on. Then if you go with 1080p HD at 30 FPS default, then that's going to go up about 60 MB with the same video size of about 400 MB with 4K at 60 FPS. Now, to reduce the screen recording quality on your iPhone, all you just need to do is come here and choose between 720p HD at 30 FPS or 1080p HD at 30 FPS. However, if you can take this further to reduce the quality from 4K to 1080p at 60 FPS, then you're good to go. But recommended, we choose 1080p HD at 30 FPS. And once that is chosen, then you're good to go. Then the screen recording quality will be reduced on your iPhone, and it's not going to gulp up most of your storage while recording with your iPhone screen. So that is basically how to reduce screen recording quality in iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.